Honorable listeners, now I invite Saliha Nawaz from Fatma Jinnah Women University to deliver a speech about unity in Gilgit-Baltistan. So give her a big round of applause.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished Chief Guest, Mr. Pervez Rashid, esteemed Chief Minister, Gilgit-Baltistan, Mr. Hafiz Hafizur Rahman, honorable officials, respected guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On this auspicious occasion of celebration of 68th Independence Day of Gilgit-Baltistan, I wholeheartedly congratulate you all, and I pray may the smiles on our faces never fade away. Dear audience, when we utter the name Gilgit-Baltistan, the first word that strikes to our mind is peace. We step into a world of joy. A smile separates on our faces, and our hearts fill with contentment. The fascinating panorama of natural beauty of Gilgit-Baltistan, like its sky-touching snow-capped mountains, its crystal-clear water, and lush green valleys, separates in front of our eyes, leaving behind a feeling of serenity, of being in heaven. The people of Gilgit-Baltistan are called the subject of peace, chapter of freedom, jewels of mountains. Snow is their blanket, earth is their bed, moon is their lamp, mountains their home. They are the ambassadors of peace, and their place a paradise on earth. It would not be an exaggeration, ladies and gentlemen, if I call Gilgit-Baltistan a true picture of Quaid-e-Azam's Pakistan. It is indeed. Dear audience, today's gathering, which is organized by Tourism Department of Gilgit-Baltistan, holds an immense importance in our lives. Not only in this regard that it helps us to relive our past, which is indeed the best place to learn from, but it also gives us an opportunity to further strengthen the bond of unity among us. We Gilgit-Baltistanis have always respected the pluralistic environment, and our history is the evidence of that. Before and after Independence Day of Gilgit-Baltistan, there used to be several monarchs ruling in different areas of Gilgit-Baltistan. They used to have a lot of conflicts among each other. There were a lot of issues, there were a lot of conflicts, but they were one and united when it comes to the safeguard of their country, when it comes to the safeguard of their homeland. This was the unity among people. And dear audience, this unity is not just confined to the land of Gilgit-Baltistan. This unity is a power when it comes to the defense of Pakistan. We are ready to sacrifice our lives on the border just to maintain peace in our land. Our unconditional love for Pakistan, our loyalty, our respect for our homeland, it compels us to join our hands together, to bring in use our individual capabilities, to contribute to the development progress of our country. And our youth today, who are playing their pivotal role in various fields of life, is the evidence of the patriotism we have in our hearts for our country. Undoubtedly, the history, the sacrifices made by our heroes is engraved in our hearts, and it will remain there forever. We can never forget the sacrifices our heroes have made. They had lit the lamp, and the lamp is in our hand right now. But my question to all of you, every individual who is sitting right now in this hall, is this: that our forefathers have done what was supposed to be done according to those circumstances, according to that time. What we are supposed to do today? What are our responsibilities? This is the question. And the answer obviously is to protect the light, to protect the lamp, which is in our hand, which is our land. But how? But how? It is only when we will join our hands together, when we will forget our differences, when we will forget our issues, when we will forget our egoistic attitude, and we will join our hands together, and we will become one. That is only that, and then is only that, we can protect this land. We can protect our identity. We can protect a beautiful gift, a beautiful blessing. Lastly, dear audience, this is the right time to ask this question to yourself and think that what is the need of the hour? Either we want the history to repeat itself again, or no, we rewrite the history with the ink of love, peace, and care. Let's join our hands together. Let's play our role to revitalize the spirit of unity among our people, now or never. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Happy Independence Day once again. Proud to be a Gilgit Baltistani and proud to be a Pakistani. Thank you so much.